Hey, what's up guys? It's Lewis from the DIY Fellow channel coming to you with another quick video. So my last video had to do with my leaky toilet, fixing the little leak in it, little running water. And this video actually has to do with the toilet again, but it has to do with water coming out of my concrete walls. What seemed as if it was coming out of the concrete walls. Basically it was a leaky shutoff valve, and hopefully this video will help you to fix the leaky shutoff valve if you ever have that issue in the future. Check it out. Alright guys, so today I was coming out doing my daily rounds around my house and my patio, and I noticed this string of water coming from the wall. As you get closer, you notice it's coming from these walls, and it's dripping right there. All this other stuff here, definitely water damage, so gotta see where that's coming from. Now I do have a bathroom on the other side, so I'm going to see what's going on the other side. Alright guys, so going on the other side of the bathroom, I found the problem. Basically it's a leaky shutoff valve that's dripping, as you can tell. So basically what's going on, it was dripping all in here, seeping to the corner, probably even going on over here as well. And somehow it's coming outside of the wall on the other side. So first thing I'm going to do, the easiest fix, is to go ahead and tighten this nut right here. Sometimes after a while, those shutoff valves, they start, there's like some packing material in there basically, and after a while it starts getting loose. So usually if you go ahead and tighten this nut a little force, it'll stop the leaking. If not, worst case scenario, I'll go ahead and change out the shutoff valve. Alright, so that's it. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, that's a lot of water. It's probably been only leaking like not even 5 minutes. It's a lot of water in there, so that makes sense that the water is coming out on the other side. So yeah, just take an adjustable wrench and just tighten it, and hopefully it stops. Let's see. I don't think you want to go too tight, so just be careful. That's probably good right there. Let's mess with it. Close it. I think we got lucky, guys. I think that did it. So worst case scenario, I am going to empty that out, put that under there, and see if it leaks more. If it does, I'll just go ahead and change the whole valve. But if you do have a leaky shutoff valve from your toilet, that's the first thing you want to check. Take an adjustable wrench, try to tighten that nut there, and see if that takes care of your problems.